Don't go too far away. Press record. Hey guys, so I've got some exciting news. Well, exciting for me anyway. Got a box. So, what's in the box? What do you reckon? I'll give you a clue. It's not a bed. And it's not a telescope. Have a look at the label. Have a look at the label. Not too close, because it will go blurry. There you go. Flex radio. Let's have a look. Hey, on me, up here. There you go. There's a box in a box. Go back a little bit so that they can see the box. Look at this. This is exciting, isn't it? It's another box. But this box has got something on the side of it. This box has got Flex 6000. Yeah, baby. So, M0XMX has now got a Flex 6000. One careful owner from new. Look at that. Flex 6300. I've always resisted going for a 6000 series because I'm not a huge fan of Smart SDR. I love Power SDR. I've said it a million times before. However, I don't know. I just woke up feeling lucky today, and I checked ham radio deals, and there it was. So anyway, the next few videos you're going to be seeing a comparison between the Flex 5000, which I normally run on my live streams, and this. I can actually run them side by side on just different antennas. And guess what? What I've decided driving back, the one I choose not to keep, because it's not a foregone conclusion that I'm going to like this. I might prefer the 5000. The one I'm not going to keep, I'm going to give away to one of you lucky viewers. Oh, sorry, did I say give away? Sorry, I meant sell. My mistake. There you go. Keep an eye on the channel. I'm super excited. I'm going to be unboxing and plugging this in now. So, catch up with you later. 7 free. Stay safe. Bye-bye.